Children, welcome to today's music class. In today's class, our topic is Keyboard Lesson 3. Our topic is Keyboard Lesson 3. We are going to learn 5 notes in today's class using the right hand, left hand, and both hands. We are going to learn 5 notes in today's class using the right hand, left hand, and both hands. The notes are C, D, E, F, G. The notes are C, D, E, F, G. Remember to position your hand properly and play gently. Now, let's try the right hand first. Now, let's try the right hand first. C, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do, re, mi, fa, sol. Sol, fa, mi, re, do. Now, the left hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's do the both ends. Let's do the both ends. Do, re, mi, fa, sol. Sol, fa, mi, re, do. Children, did you have fun playing the keyboard? Now, if you couldn't do it perfectly, no problem. Just go back and try it again until you feel comfortable and try it as many times as you can. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoy the class. See you in the next class. Why should you subscribe to this channel? We upload multiple music videos and musical skill sets for children of all ages on a daily basis, starting from theory of music for kids on how to read, write, sing, and play musical instrument basic for children, such as recorder, piano, guitar, violin, etc. Also, word-ranking nursery rhymes with tonic suffers, singing lesson, and a lot more in different genres of music. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.